Well, after a exciting weekend weather-wise, getting a little bit of a pause this morning, but we're in first alert weather mode because it is not going to last. This is definitely the calm before the storm. We get another round of heavy rain and gusty winds headed our way, with the rain increasing during the morning and the wind increasing during the afternoon and the evening. So be prepared for a more challenging return home from work and school this afternoon. Not much going on this morning, and kind of a couple of lingering sprinkles about all, but when we widen that out, you can see a pretty good looking system showing up on the edge of the radar right now, and that one is a warm front. It's going to lift in here and give us a good round of rain and wind gusts similar to what we saw last night, where we saw some places get wind gusts in the 50 to 60 plus range, including in Everett there at Payne Field, which just in amongst the city. So that's a pretty strong wind for that. So be prepared. There's been some spotty power outages this morning, but we'll talk more about that in a little bit. Checking the Everett Tower cam, not much going on. The flag just barely moving in the breeze there, but it's going to be moving later on today, that's for sure. It's going to be those southerly winds that move in. Temperatures this morning running mostly in the 40s, a fairly mild morning. In fact, up north, it's in the upper 40s at this hour. Checking our first alert 7-day forecast, you can see first alert weather today and tomorrow. We're going to be looking for it to start at noon today, as then we'll start to see the rain really pick up by late morning. It'll be pretty wet during the afternoon. The winds will increase during the afternoon, and especially once we get into the evening to early morning hours, we're going to see our strongest winds. Looks like we're going to see possible power outages again, and some local flooding definitely possible with that. Not looking for any major river flooding, but it's a lot of rain coming down in a short period, so things get clogged up, and applies pretty much to all of western Washington. Wind gusts so far today since midnight. You see, they all occurred shortly after midnight, so kind of winding down from last night, but those will be cranking back up again as we head towards this afternoon. Take a look at our rainfall between now and about noon. Not really picking up too much, but then as we head towards this evening, you can see pick up about a ½ an inch during the afternoon, which is going to be pretty wet. And then overnight tonight, we'll end up with something between about a ½ and an inch and a quarter or so for most spots. So pretty wet system overall, though things dry as we head towards later tomorrow. So increasing rain and gusty winds today, decreasing rain and wind tomorrow. Partly sunny on Wednesday, and maybe hitting 60 out at the airport for the first time this year. A few showers kind of alternating Thursday and Saturday. Nothing very strong though. High temperatures staying mostly in the low to mid 50s.